Hello curls, it's Yolanda Renee, and today I'm going to be showing you a few items out of my boutique, Etc. Boutique. My first website is etcboutique.bigcartel.com. That's where I sell all my jewelry, my book, and also a t-shirt of the week. I also have my mesh beanie on that website and it's adorable. But yes, if you want to shop those unique items, go to the Big Cartel site. I also have my Spreadshirt website, and I'll leave the link below. That's where you can choose hundreds of designs of t-shirts that are inspired, of course, by natural hair, but there are enough designs on that site for everybody, whether you're natural or you just want a dope statement t-shirt. And all the designs are original, and I know the prices may be a little bit but that's how it is starting off as a small business. But I hope and pray that you guys support me so I can grow this business and eventually have more wholesale prices or cheaper prices because I can buy my stuff in bulk. But yeah, I hope you guys support Etc. Boutique. It's my baby. I love it so much. I have so much fun designing, and I really think that all of my stuff is just super dope. But yes, there's t-shirts, there's bags, there's buttons, all kinds of accessories, and bamboo earrings. I am like completely stocked with earrings and necklaces. I know in the past my shipping was a little bit slow, but now since moving the site to my Spreadshirt shop, shipping is 2 to 6 days. There's great customer service, easy returns, exchanges, refunds, all of that stuff. Yeah, so, and I hope to get this shipping quicker on my Big Cartel site as well now that I'm stocked with inventory. I am back. It's 2014 and I'm ready to start fresh, and I just hope you guys continue to support Etc. Boutique. Thank you so much, girls. Now enjoy this little preview, and if you want to see all the other pieces, just go over to the sites. All right, goodbye. Mwah.